to our Poly Rayon Spandex. What in the world is Poly Rayon Spandex? Well, it's mostly polyester with a little bit of rayon. It's usually, I think around 60 poly, 30 rayon, in that range. And then it's with a little bit of spandex. It's a jersey, very soft. It's perfect for, it's a top weight fabric. It's not super, super light. It's probably about the same, comparable to double brush poly or single brush poly as far as weight is concerned. You could make skirts out of it. You could make dresses out of it. It's really soft. It's not brushed, but it's soft. And it's got stretch, horizontal stretch. It's got a little bit of vertical stretch. You would typically not make bottoms, pants out of this. I'm in love with all these plaids that are out right now, so I'm a little crazy about this.
I think you can make pajama pants out of that.
Pajama pants? Mary Beth says you can make pajama pants out of it.
Comfy.
She likes to wear brush poly pajamas, and I don't. They're too uncomfortable for me. But these would probably be nice for pajamas. It matches the white, double brush poly. And by the way, it's denim and soft red. The red on here, it's red. It's a very soft red. So the light slate is really pretty with it. And this is going to sound odd. This is coral. Coral is a really nice match. Our other reds are too dark or intense. The coral matches this red. I know it sounds strange, but too bad we didn't have this before 4th of July, because it's the perfect 4th of July. Look how cute the colors
it's
are.
It's totally cute.
Yeah.
Tell Rhonda Reddy Bishop that it is more stable than rayon spandex. She wants to know if it's more stable.
Rhonda wants to know if the poly rayon spandex is more stable than rayon spandex. Absolutely, yes, it is. The polyester adds a lot of stability to poly rayon spandex.
Yeah, you probably don't have to size down with it or anything.
Yeah, you
like
wouldn't
that.
need to size down like you might do with your rayon spandex. It doesn't grow like rayon does, and it has some decent recovery. We have one more.